Hey guys, if you've been following our channel for a while, you know that my family loves to spend time outdoors. Whether it's hiking, going to the beach, camping, doing all these outdoor activities are a lot of fun, but they also lead to a lot of messes. How this does for cleaning out the cars, and then I'm going to put it to the test around some different things around the house. But for now, let's unbox it. So you might be familiar with Saker because I have featured two of their other products on my channel. I have featured the cordless, battery-powered chainsaw, and that was really nice. That still works. I just took that out again this year and trimmed some branches on my holly tree in the backyard. So this is what the vacuum looks like. We've got a charging cable. And then it looks like it came with some little attachments here. I've got this. Okay, the types of pieces that you would see maybe with a big vacuum cleaner. This one's got a brush on it to help get dust. Some various nozzles. I know that I'm gonna go over this, but it's got some multiple uses. You can use this to inflate like a raft or things like that. So some various attachments here. Another little tiny brush. And then this appears to be the filter. And then we've got an instruction manual here. So just initially from picking this up, it kind of reminds you a little bit of a hairdryer, but a tinier shape. So I'm really curious if this little thing is gonna have the power to clean up some messes from our car. Now, I'm not expecting this to clean the entire car, but what I would love is just for those situations where, I track mud in the car, we track a little bit of sand, to just be able to not have to pull out the shop vac and the huge extension cord and just be able to use this and tidy up a little bit. Thought I would try out the little mini vacuum cleaner here and see if it can help me with this. So to start it, you want to press this button. First of all, you want to make sure it's fully charged, which I did. This is charged now. And I'm gonna press this button for 3 seconds, and then I'm gonna press it again to get it into high mode, and then it's ready to go. So I'll show you that. All right, so that's on low. Change it to high. I'll show you this real quick because this shows you the kind of dirt and stuff it pulled out of our keyboard, which is honestly disgusting and really gross. It can be used like a vacuum cleaner, but then it also can be used to blow dust. Let's say I wanted to clean the keyboard, but I wanted to clean it by blowing the dust out. So I would attach this little short attachment on this end, and then I would turn it on. 3 seconds to turn it on to low mode, then high. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this here. All I did was take out the filter. As you can see, it's got some dirt in it from just cleaning the keyboard. And then this is kind of gross, but I wanted to show you what it just picked up just from cleaning our keyboard. Turn it on. Okay guys, my son wanted to try this feature. It says you can blow up a balloon with this little device, so let's try that. want to give you my final thoughts on the Sacred Plus 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So for me, this was a win. I really liked all the different features of it. Now, don't buy this thinking like, oh, I'm gonna deep clean my whole car. It's not gonna work for that. This is for those kind of odd jobs when you don't wanna bring out the big vacuum cleaner or you need to get in tight spaces. Perfect for those little weird odd jobs, and if you're an outdoor person, good for cleaning up those little tiny messes that come with the outdoors. So guys, if you want to clean the filters, a really easy way to do this is put on this air blowing attachment, take it outside, and then use this to blow the filter clean. And that was super effective for me. I was able to get the paper filter really clean this way, and also the metal filter. So easy way to clean them using the device. Another thing I really liked is that it's super easy to be charged with USB, and that it comes with all these little different attachments. So you can use this in a lot of different ways. You can use it just simply like this if you wanted. You could put this little small attachment on there. There's a small brush. This was definitely my favorite. This was super effective when trying to clean in between my sliding glass doors where like lots of dust and dirt gets. This got in that area really good, where my regular vacuum cleaner doesn't have a brush this tiny to get in there. Then there was also this little round brush. I actually didn't try this one just because this brush and this attachment did enough for me. And then in terms of air blowing, you've got like a short tube to blow air. You've got a longer tube if you need to reach a different type of space. And then this is the one that we used. My son tried blowing up a balloon with it. It says you can inflate like small pool floats, balloons, that type of thing by using the air blowing feature. And it worked well for the balloon. It blew it up really fast. You've got to inflate an inner tube. So it's just another cool little feature with this thing. Like if you're having a party, you want to inflate some balloons. If you're taking your kids to the pool and you've got a big inner tube to inflate, you can use this little device to do that. So a lot of really cool features and a lot of versatility with it. Another thing that I really appreciated is the detailed manual. I'm going to show you this here, and it goes through what every piece does and different ideas for how to use it. So that gave me a lot of ideas. Once I got this, I started thinking, oh, I could clean this with this, and I can clean that. So it's definitely good for those hard to reach tiny areas. So the one thing I do want to say is we do not have pets, so I cannot test this on pet hair. We all have allergies, so we don't have any pets in our house. So I can't comment to how it picks up pet hair just because I don't have any. I looked at the reviews on this. I looked at what people were saying. I've used some Sacred products before, the hedge trimmer, the battery operated chainsaw, and I'm now on my second season with both of those. I just used them recently for some yard work and they're still working great. So I felt pretty confident in taking this product to do the review. And I just want to say, like, you're not going to be able to clean your whole house with this. You're not going to be able to clean your whole car with this. But if you're looking for something to help you get in tight spaces, clean electronics, clean hard to reach places in your car, if you've just got a little bit of a mess, you know, you come in after hiking or your kids playing outside and there's just a small pile of dirt on the ground, this is super ideal for that. This could be something, get your kids, hey, get out the little vacuum this up. So one thing that was really important to me before I agreed to review this product is it has filters. So I wanted to find out, can you purchase additional filters? Because otherwise the vacuum cleaner would be no good. You would run through the filter. The paper filter, they said, lasts about 2 to 3 months. And yes, you can purchase a 4-pack of filters. 3 of them are paper. 1 of them is another stainless steel filter, but the stainless steel filter is said it would last for years. So for a pretty reasonable price, you could pick up some additional filters, and I'm going to put that in my description. It's really important to me when I review products to make sure that you can get all the parts and pieces that you're going to need to make this a worthwhile purchase. Okay, so one other little thing I want to show you is it comes in this little tiny storage bag. So this is really cool because it comes with definitely a lot of accessories, 2 filters. You're gonna wanna have something, you know, you're not gonna wanna keep it in the box. So you've got this little bag. I would like to store it with this on, so it's just ready to go when I have those messes. And you can put it in there. And then if you wanted to, this would definitely hold your instruction manual as well. But just a nice way to keep everything organized and keep it handy. And then, like I said, this charges with USB, so really easy I recommend making sure it has a full charge and that green light is on before you go to use it. Thanks for watching, guys.